Welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a while, I know, but guess what? Join me in the quarantine kitchen. It's your girl, Chef Burrell. I am recording this just in case I get to post it. But guys, welcome to another video. Today I am going to try. I'm not sure if I did this before, but I'm going to do some coconut curry fish, and I'm going to make some callaloo rice, coconut straight from the shell to the blend this situation then to the pot. I'm going to be using the coconut milk to cook the rice, and I'm also gonna cook down the fish in coconut. So it's about to be one coconutty type of Good Friday. So guys, right, I'm gonna strain the situation to get off the trash and get as much into the pot as possible. As I said, I'll be cooking the rice, the callaloo rice, down in that situation. So yeah, if you've never done this as a Jamaican kid, you're not a Jamaican. This trash here from the coconut, put some sugar on it and eat it. What you know about Jamaican cooking? So this is 100% coconut milk straight from the shell. Right, so I'm going to season this with some scallion, pepper, sweet pepper, onion, you know, and throw the rice in it. Set it on, yeah, and then when it partially reach cook, then I add the callaloo. You notice I season this just like I'm doing a rice and peas, only thing I'm not pressuring. So I'm gonna put this on now to cook, and then add the rice when it reaches certain levels, you know. Yes, straight coconut milk was say. So since I'm the only one here, I'm cooking for myself. I'm gonna do 2 pieces of sliced fish, prepping the seasonings for the curry coconut sauce. Yes, I right, so I'll go out the sauce. The rice is already in, guys. So now that the rice is cooked to this level, I'm going to add the callaloo. Yes, so I'm seasoning my seasonings for the red using my cayenne. I also got this fish seasoning from Rainforest, so I use that as well. Okay, so I put the turmeric in the pot, then I toss in my seasonings, getting them a little bit saturated, and then I'm gonna pour in the coconut milk, let it sit a little bit, and then I put the fish in. Coconut milk is in. As I said, I'm gonna leave this to sit a little bit before I add the fish in there. All right, fish very nice done up. I know you've been anticipating to see what the end looked like. No, you guys need to try it and tell me what it tastes like. It's heaven on my side.